If you want to cancel a GoDaddy subscription, I'll walk you through the quickest way to do it step by step. This is helpful if you no longer need a domain, hosting plan, or any other GoDaddy service and want to make sure auto-renew is turned off before the next billing cycle. If this video helps, please hit like and subscribe for more simple software tutorials. First, go to the GoDaddy sign-in page and log into your account with your username and password. Once you're inside, look for your profile icon or name in the upper right corner of the screen. Click it, then choose Account Settings. From there, find the Renewals and Billing section in the menu and open it. On the billing page, you'll see a list of your products and services. Now check the box next to the specific item you want to cancel, whether that's a domain, a website plan, web hosting, or another service. After selecting the product, look at the top of the list and click the Cancel Renewal or Turn Off Auto Renew button. GoDaddy will ask you to confirm your decision, so choose a reason for canceling from the drop-down menu. Then click Continue to Cancel to finish the process. At this point, your subscription should be set not to renew automatically, which means you won't be charged again for that service when the current term ends. If you only wanted to stop future billing, that's the key step to look for. Before you leave, it's always a good idea to double check that the product is no longer marked for renewal, just to make sure everything went through correctly. And that's it. You've now cancelled your GoDaddy subscription or turned off auto-renew in just a few simple steps. If this tutorial saved you time, please like the video and subscribe for more easy how-to guides.